Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you what is health insurance, top reasons why you need health insurance. Also, I will review a plan Optima Restore from HDFC Ergo. Earlier, this plan was offered by Apollo Munich Health Insurance under the name Optima Restore. Many of the features of this plan was introduced for the first time in the industry, like 50% no claim bonus every year up to a maximum of 100% of sum assured, no claim based loading, no capping on room rent, etc. Hello everyone, my name is Rajat Dewan and I welcome you to my channel. Let's discuss what is health insurance. Health insurance is a type of insurance that covers medical expenses that arises due to an illness or an accident. These expenses could be related to hospitalization cost, cost of medicines, or doctor consultation fees. Why we need health insurance? To fight lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases are on the rise, especially among people under the age of 45. Illness like diabetes, obesity, respiratory problems, heart disease, all of which are prevalent among older generation are now rampant in younger people too. Some contributing factors that lead to these diseases include a sedentary lifestyle, stress, pollution, unhealthy eating habits, gadget addiction, and undisciplined lifestyle. To safeguard your family, when scouting for an ideal health insurance plan, you can choose to secure your entire family under the same policy rather than buying separate policies. To deal with medical inflation, as medical technology improves and diseases increases, the cost for treatment rises as well, and it is important to understand that medical expenses are not limited to only hospital. The cost for doctor's consultation, diagnosis test, ambulance charges, operation theatre cost, medicines, room rent, etc. are also continually increasing. All of these could put a considerable strain on your finances if you are not adequately prepared. By paying a relatively affordable health insurance premium each year, you can beat the burden of medical inflation while opting for quality treatment without worrying about how much it will cost you. To protect your savings. While an unforeseen illness can lead to mental anguish and stress, there is another side to dealing with health conditions that can leave you drained. The expenses. By buying a suitable health insurance policy, you can better manage your medical expenditure without dipping into your savings. In fact, some insurance providers offer cashless treatment so you don't have to worry about reimbursements either. Now I'll be discussing and reviewing the plan Optima Restore by HDFC Ergo. The major benefits of this plan are: anyone who buys this plan is eligible to take a single AC private room. Pre and post hospitalization expenses are covered. Pre hospitalization expenses are covered up to 60 days, and post hospitalization expense is covered up to 180 days. Daycare procedure. Daycare procedure basically means when the hospitalization is less than 24 hours, there are certain treatments which are covered under daycare procedure are cataract, accidental injury, sinus treatment, etc. Domiciliary treatment is also covered up to sum assured under this plan, which basically means sometimes the bed is not available in the hospital and the treatment can be provided at home, so such treatments are covered under domiciliary treatment. Organ donor is also covered up to sum assured, which basically means in case if the policy holder has to undergo a surgery and he requires an organ transplant, then the person who is donating the organ, his surgery cost is also covered in the plan. Restore benefit: 100% of the sum assured is covered is under this plan after taking the first claim. Ambulance cover is provided up to 2000 rupees per hospitalization. Although you are eligible to take a single private room, however, if you choose to take a shared accommodation, then the company reimburses you with 800 rupees per day up to a maximum of 4800 rupees on a plan of up to 15 lakhs. And on a plan above 15 lakhs, it is 1000 rupees per day up to a maximum of 6000 rupees. E-opinion is also provided in case of critical illness. If required, there is a there is air ambulance cover also under this plan up to 2.5 lakhs per hospitalization on a plan of 10 lakhs and above. No claim bonus benefit under this plan is 50% up to a maximum of 100%. Health checkup is covered under this plan. It is 2500 rupees on a plan of up to 5 lakhs and 5000 rupees on a plan of 10 lakhs, 8000 rupees on a plan of 15 lakhs, and 10,000 rupees on a plan above 15 lakhs. The age limit under this plan is from 18 years to 65 years. However, if you have taken the policy, then it can be renewed for a lifetime. Children are covered up to the age 25. After the age of 25, they can take an independent policy. If you pay the premium of 2 years in one go, you are eligible for an discount of 7.5% on the premium. This policy also provides a wellness program. For this, you can download an app from Play Store by the name Health Gin, which monitors your step count, and on the basis of the steps you can get a discount on the renewal premium. Now let's discuss about the major exclusions under this plan. This plan comes with a waiting period of 30 days. However, the accidental injury is covered from day 1. Any pre-existing disease has a waiting period of 3 years. There are certain diseases which has a waiting period of 2 years like cataract, hernia, joint replacement, etc. If you are found under the influence of drugs or alcohol, the claim can be rejected. Pregnancy, dental treatment, and appliances are not covered under this plan. Any hospitalization due to war or an act of war or due to nuclear, chemical, or biological weapon and radiation of any kind is not covered. Non-allopathic treatment, diseases, cosmetic surgery are also not covered. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.